Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Mona Heights Primary from St. Andrew going up against Old Harbour Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and Mona Heights Primary won and decided to send Old Harbour Primary first. So we begin with Old Harbour Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer, and each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. Old Harbour Primary, what was the name of the angel who appeared to Mary to advise her that she would bear the Christ child?
Gabriel!
That is correct. Mona Heights, what was the name of the mother of John the Baptist?
Elizabeth. Elizabeth.
That's right. Science, Old Harbour, what is the name or what is another name for energy in motion?
Kinetic energy.
That is correct. Mona Heights, a vibrating object is a source of which form of energy?
Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy.
Incorrect, it's sound energy. Jamaican affairs, Old Harbour. The EOJ administers local and national elections. What does EOJ stand for?
Elections of Jamaica.
Incorrect, it is the Electoral Office of Jamaica. Over to you, Mona Heights. The NEPA or NEPA regulates environmental matters locally. What does NEPA stand for?
National Environmental Protection Agency.
National Environmental Protection Agency.
Incorrect, it's National Environment and Planning Agency. English language, Old Harbour. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of activate.
Disactivate.
Incorrect, it's deactivate. Mona Heights. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of noble.
Ignoble.
Ignoble.
Correct. Television, Old Harbour. What is the name of Superman's alter ego?
Clark Kent.
That is correct. Mona Heights. In the Superman cartoons, what was the name of Clark Kent's hometown?
Los Angeles.
Incorrect, it's Smallville. General knowledge, Old Harbour. Which country has the largest population?
India.
Correct. Mona Heights. Which country has the largest land area?
Russia.
Russia.
That's correct. Social studies, Old Harbour Primary. On which continent is the Himalayan mountain range located?
Asia.
That's right. Mona Heights. On which continent is the mountain range known as the Rockies located?
North America.
North America.
That is correct. Music, Old Harbour. Which female artiste recorded the song Only Girl in the World?
Adele.
Incorrect, it's Rihanna. Mona Heights. Which female artiste recorded the song Firework?
Taylor Swift.
Incorrect, it's Katy Perry. Mathematics. This is for Old Harbour. What is the product of 40 and 2.5?
100.
Correct. Mona Heights. What is the product of 55 and 5?
275. 275.
That is correct. That's the end of section 1. The scores are Mona Heights Primary on 5 and Old Harbour Primary on 6. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.